Alright guys, bone stock, ain't nothing done to it, not even an air intake. This is how I like them coming in. You guys get a true comparison with our heads and cam package. Very quiet. It's crazy, I hadn't seen a bone stock C6 Z06 in a long time. Very rare, but I'm excited with this one, and let's get baseline on the C6 Z06. Just bone stock, just get some numbers, how it sits, and then that way once we do the heads and cam package, we can see the difference of what it picked up from stock to our package. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we did a baseline with it. We did a fourth gear pull and then we did a third gear pull. So the fourth gear picked up a little bit more power. This is on a bone stock tune. Nothing's done to this car. Stock paper air filter. Made some good numbers. The humidity in the shop. And the horsepower was 470 and 469 torque on the fourth gear, and then 450 and 447 torque on the third gear. That's a good baseline there. Now we can go and do our package and see what it picks up from there.
How much power do you think it's going to make?
6, 7. Alright, we just did our first pull with the package. Over here, our baseline, as you can see, that was the baseline before we did the work. It made 470 and 469 torque. This was a small pull we just did to make sure everything was good. This is 93 pump gas, and it made 606 and 581 torque. So we got a lot more in it. Still on 93 pump gas right now. Gonna get her dialed, see what she'll do. Alright, we did another pump gas pull. Pump 93, we backed it up, made 651 and then 583 torque, so the torque stayed pretty close the same. You can see a little bit of a change right there. But yeah, this thing's ripping for 93. Alright, we just backed it up again, 93 pump gas, 656, 588 torque, raised torque, 18 horsepower. Alright guys, here she is. She's all wrapped up. Just finalizing some street stuff with it, and then we're gonna go get her some tires, some rear front ones, all the sensors all the way around, and then some tint on the windows. Let me show you guys a little bit of what we did and kind of give you a run. Alright guys, here she is. She's about to be wrapped up. She's got a few final touches to do. We're doing some street tuning, drivability, and then we're going to take her to get some rear tires, front tires, TPMS sensors all the way around, and put some tint on the windows. So this car came to us completely stock. We did our Myatt package on it. We did the LS7 stage 3 cam. We did the stock heads ported by Shea. He did a full port job on it, intake and exhaust, upgraded valves, speed engineering, headers, 2-inch with X-pipe, VRAM intake. We did the Nick Williams 103mm throttle body, obviously the atomic fab that's port matched to the heads. We did the Mighty Mouse catch can on her, DSX low side fuel system, and the DSX flex fuel sensor. We did a monster clutch, ATI lower dampener there. We put a 3-bar map sensor on there with some 1000cc injectors. That's about it. Some other upgrades too, like we did new rotors, brake pads on her. Also sounds really good. I'll crank her up for you guys. We did the Corsa Extreme exhaust system, and that's definitely worth the money. Sounds really good. I'll fire her up for you, but that's about it. Real simple package. We do a lot of these. This one we had a few things that we added to it, but other than that, she rips. Made 658 horsepower with low 580s torque. So fire her up for you.